I'm Matilda.
I'm Henrik. And we've chosen to do a somewhat different lifestyle for this year.
With our two kids.
With our two kids.
And everything pretty much started, I think, 8 or 9 years ago when me and Henrik took off backpacking through Asia and Australia. And we ended up staying in Australia for 4 years. And in 2015 we decided it was time for us to go back to Sweden because we wanted to start a family. And in 2016 our first son Manne was born. And with him the idea of traveling and exploring with kids was also born.
Yeah, always wanted to explore more of Europe, so we decided to go RVing for a year.
Yeah, and it pretty much took us 1 year to plan everything. First of all, the decision of what we were going to do, and second of all, deciding that we wanted to buy a motorhome and what type of motorhome, and looking into motorhomes and just getting everything ready for us being able to take off.
Yeah, so in the summer of 2019 we finally found what we were looking for, and then ended up buying a Holiday Rambler Neptune from 2003. It's an American motorhome imported to Sweden in 2014. It's a pretty big one. It's 11 meters long and has 2 slide outs.
10 tons.
10 tons, yeah. October 2019, our second son Zeke came into our lives and completed the family of 4. And we took that autumn as well to prepare the motorhome for full-time living. And we also fortunately noticed a big water damage, which took some time to several weeks to take care of.
And if you want to see a video of Henrik doing the renovations, you can find a link in the description below. We'll link it down here somewhere. Yeah.
And also living full time with kids, we wanted to do the whole lithium batteries, new inverter upgrade.
Yeah, we wanted to be able to live comfortably.
Yeah. So we prepared the motor with the lithium batteries, new inverter, heaps of solar on the roof. So that took us the whole of autumn and well into the winter of 2019.
Yeah. So in January 2020, the motor was ready and we were ready. It took us some time to sort out like apartments and stuff like that, but we were ready and we left Sweden. We took the ferry from Trelleborg in Sweden down to Travemünde, drove through Germany, drove through France, and got all the way down to Spain. Yeah. I think we had like 1 day at the beach in Spain before the whole lockdown happened in Spain, and we were pretty much quarantined for almost 3 weeks before we realized that we couldn't stay. So we made the hard decision of driving all the way back again.
2,500 kilometers in one go. We weren't allowed to drive off the motorway in Spain, France or Germany.
It took us 6 days to just power through.
And videos about that also in the description below.
Yeah, 2 videos I think.
And well, back in Sweden we didn't want to give up our lifestyle, so we decided to keep on traveling and explore our home country, Sweden. Starting in the southernmost part of Sweden, which is called Skåne.
Like, to be honest, I never thought that what we've experienced so far in Sweden you could experience in Sweden. Like, the nature and the beaches and everything that we've seen has been just amazing. So all in all, we are super grateful and really lucky to be able to experience all this. And the whole reason we are doing this in the first place is to have time as a family. So in the end, it's all about the lifestyle that we wanted. We wanted to be off the rat race, and we wanted to travel and explore together as a family. And that's the whole reason we are doing this. So thank you for joining us on the road and our adventures. Thank you you for joining us on the road and following our big family adventure.
We try to do weekly videos. Please subscribe and give us a like. Yeah, or not.
Or not. They're probably not going to do that when we say that. But please do. We're really happy that so many of you have chosen to follow our
Time to take care of the kids.
journey. Okay, bye.